At the train station.
Hi, I need a ticket to Bristol, please.
Hello. Of course. When do you want to travel?
Today, this afternoon if possible.
Let me check. There is a train at 2:30.
That sounds good. How much is the ticket?
A standard ticket is £24.
Standard? Sorry, what does that mean?
It means a normal seat, not first class.
Okay, a standard ticket is fine for me.
Do you want a single or return ticket?
A return, please. I come back on Sunday.
A return to Bristol is £38.
That is fine. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Tap your card here.
Done. Can I have the receipt, please?
Here you go. Keep the receipt. The small paper with the price.
Thank you. Which platform is the train on?
Your train departs from platform 6.
Departs? Sorry, I do not understand that word.
It means leaves. Your train leaves at 2:30.
Oh, good. So platform 6, 2:30. Thank you.
Have a good trip, Maya.
Thank you very much, Daniel. Excuse me, is this platform 6?
No, sorry. This is platform 9.
Oh no, my train departs in 10 minutes.
Platform 6 is on the other side. Walk that way.
Is it far? I need to be quick.
No, just 2 minutes. Go past the coffee shop.
Past the coffee shop. Got it. Thank you.
You have time. Do not worry.
Oh, this is platform 6. That is a relief.
Hello again, Maya. Did you find the platform okay?
Yes, just in time. I went to platform 9 first.
Oh, that happens a lot. Sorry about that.
That is okay. Is the train on time?
Actually, the Bristol train is delayed today.
Delayed? What does that mean exactly?
It means the train is late. It will come later than 2:30.
How late is it? 20 minutes? More?
About 15 minutes. It arrives at 2:45.
Okay. 15 minutes is not too bad.
You can sit on the bench over there and wait.
Is there somewhere to get a coffee nearby?
Yes, the coffee shop is just behind you.
Perfect. I will get a coffee while I wait.
Good idea. I will announce when the train is ready.
What does announce mean?
I will speak on the speaker and tell everyone, like this.
Ah, I understand. I will listen for that.
Also, please have your ticket ready to show.
My ticket is on my phone. Is that okay?
Yes, a digital ticket on your phone is fine.
Great. And my seat number is on the ticket?
Yes. You are in Coach B, seat 22.
Coach B, I will look for the sign on the train.
Each coach has a big letter on the door.
That is easy. I will find it.
The train is now at platform 6. Please board.
Board means get on the train, right?
Yes, exactly. Get on the train now.
Thank you for all your help today, Daniel.
My pleasure. Enjoy your trip to Bristol.
Thank you. Have a good afternoon.
You too. Travel safe, Maya.
Standard. Normal, not special or extra. Receipt. A small paper that shows what you paid. Departs. Leaves a place to go somewhere. Delayed. Late, not on time. Badhe board. To get on a train, bus, or plane. Return. A ticket to go and come back. At platform. The place at a station where you wait for a train. Digital. On a phone or computer, not on paper. Coach. One part or section of a train. Announce. To tell everyone something out loud. Now watch again without subtitles. How many keywords can you understand? Subscribe for a new English conversation every week.